Hi, my name is Krystal-Gail Marsh, your local realtor and entrepreneur serving Silicon Valley and the South Bay area. And today, we have the privilege of touring this elegantly designed new construction here in Morgan Hill. This developer didn't just want to build another house, but they wanted to build your dream home. It has 4 beds, 3 bathrooms, 2,327 square feet of homey goodness. As we tour the home today, you will see that this developer has pulled out all the bells and whistles of over $150,000 worth of upgrades, elevated ceilings to beautiful light fixtures, porcelain tiles, you name it, this home has it. Now, without further ado, let's take that tour. Enjoying this video, but you must hear this. So, in addition to $150,000 worth of upgrades already being included in your purchase price, there's also the opportunity for buyer concessions. Yes, the ability for you to be able to buy down your interest rates. And this is for a limited time only. So what does that mean for you? It means lower interest payments each month, therefore saving your bottom line. So go ahead, book a call with us, and remember to ask about what buyer concessions are available, and we will be happy to help. Now, enjoy the rest of the tour. If you are interested in this or any other property in the Silicon Valley or South Bay area, book a call with us and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, be blessed.